Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco, and today I'd like to tell you about the cold weather heated drinking water hoses. If you live where temperatures drop below freezing, your water supply may be at risk. Camco's heated drinking water hoses protect against freezing temperatures and are perfect for RVs, trailers, agriculture, livestock, kennels, and other industrial, commercial, and residential uses. The hoses are lead-free, BPA-free, NFS 61 certified, and are covered in a PVC jacket to protect against the elements. There are two hoses to choose from: a self-regulated hose with freeze protection down to negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and a hose with a thermostat with freeze protection down to negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit. The negative 40 degree self-regulating hose applies heat at all times. How much heat depends on the ambient temperature. The colder the weather gets, the more heat the hose supplies. The negative 20 degree hose with thermostat will only start heating the water when the temperature drops to 47 degrees Fahrenheit or below. And it'll turn the heat back off once the ambient temperature has risen to 60 degrees Fahrenheit or above. In order for the hoses to function properly and keep your water from freezing, the hoses must be installed with the thermostat or regulator end in the coldest location. Be sure to pull the insulator over the water hose connection point on each end. Each hose comes with a female-to-male adapter, which allows you to connect the water source to either end of the hose. And the hose's power cord can be plugged into any GFCI protected 120-volt outlet. Both hoses are available in 12-foot, 25-foot, and 50-foot lengths. So there you have it, Camco's cold weather heated drinking water hoses. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
Camco.net.